Welcome back to Brisbane Yamaha, the home of the Yamaha repower in Australia. Just wanted to show you quickly this Sailfish. This is Andre's Sailfish. He's entrusted us to do the job. What he had was late model 150 fly-by-wire Yamahas. Too late, the trades are sold. Don't be ringing in, pestering me. What he wanted was more sting in the tail, and he wanted the manoeuvrability and the precision of the digital steer. So we've upgraded him to the F200 XSA number 2, and that's your pearl white Knights. 43 knots. The fuel economy was better on the 200s than it was on the 150s. And overall, I think he's going to be really happy with the upgrades. This is actually the 4th repower that we've done with twin 200s in the last 8 weeks. So we've had an exciting, busy time at Brisbane Yamaha, but we love it. If you've got a challenge or if you need something done, bring it down and bring it to the home of the repowers, Brisbane Yamaha. But come to the front here, Sarah. Sailfish as they are. What we did for Andre while we were here though, we actually modified the front of his boat. So it really is your one-stop repower shop. Modified the front of the boat, had a bracket welded, paint matched, and he's actually got one of the brand new Garmin Krakens. So he's got absolutely everything covered on this Sailfish. It's heading to Mackay. It'll just be the best reef boat you've ever seen. Full control ability with the Kraken and also with the digital steer 200s. Come on down to Brisbane Yamaha, Australia's most awarded Yamaha dealer, and we'd love to quote you up on your repowers, or better still, come and buy a brand new boat.